Hi, welcome to my channel, Coca GH Tutorial Space. My name is Kowli Kabar Kelson from Ghana, West Africa. I am a professional teacher, a graphics designer, a mentor, and a content creator. Please subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, I will be giving you tips about how to start, monetize, and run a YouTube channel well. I will also be giving you tips on content creation in general. In addition, I will be teaching you professional graphics design just with your phone videos. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. And I promise to give you the best tutorials ever in this channel. Thank you for your time and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Bye.